Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Chevy Trax, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and wearing gloves. Open the hood and locate the battery, then disconnect the negative terminal first using a 10 mm socket. Remove the hold-down bracket and lift out the old battery carefully. Clean terminals and tray, place the new battery, torque bolts to spec, reconnect negative terminal, and test start the vehicle. Discuss safety and preparation. Always wear gloves and eye protection, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen terminals and a wrench for the battery clamp. Keep a memory saver if your vehicle stores settings to avoid losing radio presets or ECU data. Inspect the battery tray for corrosion and clean with baking soda and water if needed. Dispose of the old battery at a proper recycling center. Step through removal and installation slowly and deliberately to avoid spills or short circuits. Remove the negative then positive terminal, unbolt the hold down, and lift the battery straight up using proper posture. Place the new battery with matching polarity, secure the hold down, and tighten terminals to manufacture torque. Reconnect positive then negative, start the engine, and safely verify electronics and accessory functions, including power windows and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.